I thought I'd just show you a little bit more about this sleep system. It's, as I say, it's sort of perhaps a little bit big for a bike, but I certainly like to be comfortable. But yeah, when you roll it out, it's actually really nice, self-inflating. So you basically just let it self-inflate, and yeah, here you've got some really cool jumbo zips. But it's an all-in-one system, which I really like. And you know, when it's damp, this is waterproof underneath here and really good quality. And yeah, it folds out really nicely, and I think simple to use. So looking forward to trying that out, and I'm sure I'll be warming up with this graphene-infused quilt that's on it here. So that's really a nice piece of kit, and I'll be doing some more reviews on that during my trip, especially when I'll be camping on a regular basis, probably 4 days a week.